Hello my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to turn these into this. So let's get started. In order to do this, we're going to need two different subcomponents that we're going to put together. And the first one's going to take 6 bricks and 4 plates. And you're going to need 3 of those. The next subcomponent we're going to need is going to be one of these kind of V strips. Now I'm working in a 5-layer technique where I have plates on top and bottom and bricks in between. And you're going to need 36 bricks and 24 plates for each of these strips. And the basics for these is really simple. It's really just a simple staircase pattern. And it's that staircase pattern that's going to allow us to put all these bricks together with a little bit of potential flex. And now we're going to put all these things together, which is pretty straightforward with a little bit of a trick at the end. So I'm going to grab 2 of my V strips and I'm going to attach them to one of these ends. So now, a little bit of flex there. So I'm going to stretch those out. Add these ends to either side. And this is where the trick comes in. So I'm going to take one of my V-strips and I'm going to split it in the middle, because that's going to make everything a little bit easier in this final connection. So I'm going to take those 2 halves, stick them right in there. Make sure everything is nice and tightened down. And then this last bit is slowly and carefully slot those together, tighten it down, and boom. You've got a hyperbolic Lego triangle. And that's it, my friends. Just a couple of notes. If you haven't seen my old brickbending video on safety, please check it out. Just talks about stress on your bricks and what that means in terms of long-term building. Just an FYI, like the bricks I'm using for this, these are the exact same bricks that I used for my brickbending videos back in 2013. So 8 years old, been through plenty of bending, and for the most part, they show very little worse for wear. I think that's the correct phrase. So check out my channel for other videos. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and all sorts of places like that. And I'll see you on the next episode of Brickbending.